All
Anyway,
right. Well, the one thing, let's just change gear one freaking 80 right now.
let's do
Instead
it.
of dealing with a Karen, let's deal with people who go the extra mile, the people who, go above and beyond. We unfortunately we talk about a lot of negative things because there's a lot of negative things to talk about, but we do want to bring some positivity around as well. We highlighted a story a couple of weeks ago about a driver who won the lottery, and he wants to help use some of that winnings to feed the homeless.
Homeless. Yes.
That's an awesome thing right there.
Yes.
We heard Jeff's story recently about how he helped somebody who needed help. We listened to your wife's story last week, I believe it was,
Yep.
and going above and beyond with the shop and pay order that
Yep.
she had to cover $162 versus the card actually being able to cover it because there was some sort of
Yep.
issue. Luckily,
Yep.
she got paid 7 days later, but she still got paid back and going above and beyond. So we want to do something completely different, completely new, and we want to do something that's show me the extra mile sunshine award. And Jeff, if
Yeah.
you're in here, you need to start speaking now because this is actually something that he emailed us after the fact last week talking about this.
Yes.
So essentially, we want to hear your pay it forward, your going above and beyond story that you may have when dealing with a passenger, whether it's rideshare or a customer on food delivery. What did you do? And you got to kind of prove the fact that this happened, and then also, share it with us. And then we're going to pick a winner from that, and the winner is going to receive $100. And we're also going to try to talk to you, kind of get to know everything that's going. But Sergio, anything more on that? Let's know.
Man. Okay, okay, the Jeff, you're my man. You are seriously, I love Jeff. Okay, I mean, not in this like actual love way, but he's my favorite human being on the planet. Because by the way, after my wife's story last week, Jeff emailed me telling me to forward it to her because he was really concerned and he was trying to console my wife. My wife was like, whatever. And my wife was more interested in me talking to the Uber Eats guy, which he was there, which I did. And Uber Eats guy took a whole bunch of notes saying that, the day they were announcing the card got declined, right? The Apple Pay or Google Pay, whatever. She did the shop and pay. It got declined again. This was only $20, so she did it anyway. She's used to the big bills. However, with all due respect to Jeff, the most amazing human on the planet at the moment, I don't think he could be replaced. I'm not kissing your ass, Jeff. This is real. This is going to be like, so Jeff's screen name, as you guys can see, is Sunshine Man. So now we uncovered Jeff. Jeff, that's Sunshine Man right there. That's his award. He came up with this idea. I loved it. Chris loved it. Harry loved it. And he even proposed that he comes up out of his own pocket with $100. I go, not a goddamn chance, Harry. And I think this is an amazing idea. So you guys send me the stories of what you did. Jeff will be the judge, jury, executioner on this. He's going to go, this is the story. We're going to award this person $100. This is a monthly thing. This is not a one-time thing. This is like a scholarship, okay? Show me the extra mile Sunshine Award named after Jeff. Jeff, here we go, my man. You're going to have a lot of emails getting forwarded to you. I sure goddamn hope so. And you're going to pick a winner. And I'm going to get on this with this person. If they don't want to come on the show, fine. They cannot make it on a Tuesday maybe. But I will interview them for our channel, short interview for our YouTube channel. We love these stories. Keep them coming. Yes, there is negativity in this world, but there's also humans like Jeff who helped the blind girl move, I don't know how many bags and cat litter box or whatever it was 2 weeks ago. So, Jeff, this is for you, my man. See? What does that say? Kindness is free. Do it, people. Do it. You'll feel better about yourselves instead of complaining about an algorithm, which we do quite a bit anyway. So here we go. $100 for the winner, month after month. Send me the entries. I will forward them to Jeff. Jeff will go, this is the one. And boom, you got $100 and you show your mug on Show Me the Money.
Yep. And this can be any story that you've had. Just make sure it is sent to us by Do we want to have it by the end of March?
Somebody says what email? We forgot to put the email. Okay, Sergio at the RideShareGuy.com. Okay.
Yep. So take the time, write a nice little email. If you got screenshots, things like that, anything, send it to Sergio as well. And then we are going to forward it to Jeff. He's going to take a look, put his input in. And yeah, if you are the winner of the Show Me the Extra Mile Sunshine Award, you're gonna get an extra $100 for going above and beyond. We want to kind of
take your wife to dinner, take your family to dinner, do whatever you want with it. What did he say? Jeff is saying what now? It's a monthly one-time surge? Is that a joke? You never drive, Serge. You accept every trip. What are you talking about?
He's playing a wordplay there. He's saying every month somebody could get a one-time surge.
I got you. Okay, Jeff.
Nice little bonus.
I don't know about you.
So, we want to try to help people, be better. And, the whole thing is pay it forward. If you ever seen that movie, if you haven't, I suggest go seeing it. Try to see it. I don't know where it might be streaming, but Pay It Forward was a great movie where one person, it was a kid who went above and beyond, made this movement, and it just swept across. So this is something hopefully that we can kind of change things. So it's not just everything negative. It's something that's going to be a little bit positive. And for those who are, hey, you might be $100 richer.
Yes. And this is going to go on every month. So start sending them in. Okay, there we go. We announce it on the first week of April, the winner for March. Boom. And then again for April and May. And as long as we do this. Great idea, Jeff. Thank you for coming up with it. Much appreciated. We love you. There we go.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.